Welcome to my channel. In this channel I produce videos on advancing technologies. In the present video I would like to talk about top 10 BERT alternatives for NLU projects. Here is a compilation of the top 10 alternatives to the popular language model BERT for natural language understanding projects. Here you have to observe very closely. That is, the last few years have witnessed a wider adoption of transformer architecture in natural language processing and natural language understanding. Bidirectional encoder representations from transformers or BERT set new benchmarks for NLP when it was introduced by Google Artificial Intelligence Research in 2018. The model has paved the way to newer and enhanced models. Here is a compilation of the top 10 alternatives of popular language model BERT for natural language understanding projects. Point 1, Project 1, GPT-2 and GPT-3 by Open Artificial Intelligence. In 2019, Open Artificial Intelligence rolled out GPT-2, a transformer-based language model with 1.3 billion parameters and trained on 8 million web pages. The model comes armed with a broad set of capabilities including the ability to generate conditional synthetic text samples of good quality. Number 2, XLNet by Carnegie Mellon University. XLNet is a generalized auto-regressive pre-training method for learning bidirectional context by maximizing the expected likelihood over all permutations of the factorization order. XLNet uses transformer XL and is good at language tasks involving long context. Due to its auto-regressive formulation, the model performs better than BERT on 20 tasks including sentiment analysis, question answering, document ranking, and natural language inference. Third one, Rabata by Facebook. Developed by Facebook, Rabata, or a robustly optimized BERT pre-training approach, is an optimized method for pre-training self-supervised NLP systems. The model is built on the language modeling strategy of BERT that allows Rabata to predict internationally hidden sections of text within otherwise annotated language examples. It also modifies key hyperparameters in BERT, including removing BERT's next sentence pre-training objective and training with much larger mini batches and learning rates. The fourth project is Albert by Google. Albert, a light BERT for self-supervised learning of language representations, is an enhanced model of BERT introduced by Google Artificial Intelligence Researchers. The model incorporates two parameter reduction techniques to overcome major obstacles in scaling pre-trained models. Fifth project, DistilBERT by Hugging Face. DistilBERT is a distilled version of BERT. DistilBERT is a general purpose pre-trained version of BERT, 40% smaller, 64% faster, and retains 95% of the language understanding capabilities. Sixth project, StructBERT by Alibaba. Developed by researchers at Alibaba, StructBERT is an extended version of traditional BERT model. BERT incorporates language structures into BERT pre-training by proposing two linearization strategies. Next, seventh one, DBERT by Microsoft. DBERT or decoding enhanced BERT with disentangled attention is a transformer-based neural language model that improves the BERT and RoBERTas models using the two novel techniques such as disentangled attention mechanism and an enhanced mask decoder. Eighth one, text-to-text transformer T5 by Google. Text-to-text transformer T5 is a unified framework that converts all text-based language problems into a text-to-text format. Ninth project, UniLM by Microsoft. Developed by Microsoft, UniLM or Unified Language Model is a pre-trained using three types of language modeling tasks: unidirectional, bidirectional, and sequence prediction. 10th one, Reformer by Google. Reformer is a transformer model designed to handle context windows of up to 1 million words, all on a single accelerator. Introduced by Google artificial intelligence researchers, the model takes up only 16 GB memory and combines two fundamental techniques to solve the problems of attention and memory allocation that limit the application of transformers to long context windows. I hope this video is very informative, and you can like, subscribe, and you can share this video among your friends to know about the upcoming projects. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please press the bell icon for the latest updates on advancing technologies. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. Thank you very much once again.